Everyone, so today I'm showing you the compressor for Creta diesel and Elantra diesel, and this is a original compressor made by Hyundai. Here you can see all the details. All right, here we have the part number for this compressor, and here is the name and address for the company, Hyundai Automotive Systems India Private Limited. And here you can see the manufacturing month and year. It's April 2024, and you can look at the MRP, which is 24,647 rupees and 55 paisa. This is the MRP. 24,647 rupees is the MRP. And you can look at the packaging. So we get it in a very tight packaging. Look at the pins which are placed. So I'll just open it and show you how this compressor looks like. Now these days the summer is at its peak. Every day the temperature is increasing rapidly. All right, so in order to make sure that you get the best cooling out of your AC compressor, it should be new, and it should be working properly. All right, and also make sure that you have the original compressors and the best quality compressors. So the box is open, so I'll get the compressor out of it. So this is how this compressor looks like. So here as well you can see this barcode, and here we have the sticker for Hyundai, and a little bit of technical details are also mentioned, like the type of oil which is used, and you can also see the part number over here. All right, and these are the inlets and outlets which are covered with a dust cap. Here also you can see something is written. It's something related to this compressor only, and from here you can see the pulley. All right, so these type of compressors have different type of working capacities, and they work in a different fashion than the ordinary normal compressors. So these are the best compressors, very heavy compressors. That is the reason you get the best cooling in these cars. If you compare these cars with other cars, you get the best cooling. All right, so you can also check the fitting 1 2 3 4. This bolt is a little outside as compared to the other bolts, and from here you can see it from the back side. So friends, if you would like to order this compressor, what you have to do is you can simply contact Shakti Enterprises. We are offering this compressor at a very good price. All right, and the best part is that we offer you the best quality genuine parts, so that you get the best cooling, you get the best comfort from your AC. All right, so thank you so much friends, thank you so much, have a good day, bye.